Hello friends, in this video I want to show you how to make artificial cotton decor for bouquets of flowers. I tear off one box of cotton, then I fix it on a 1mm thick floral wire. I bend about 10 centimeters of floral wire. I attach the wire to the base of the cotton box. I wind the long end of a cotton box around the length of a piece of wire. Now I wrap all this with the short end of the floral wire. Thus, the cotton box is fixed on the floral film very firmly. To make this decor look natural, I wrap the wire with floral tape. When stretched, the floral tape becomes sticky and adheres perfectly to the wire. The decor is ready. It is very durable and looks beautiful. I am glad to share my experience with you.